Hey, what's up, guys? How would you like to be able to watch all of new TV shows, movies, and TV series without any kind of registration and without paying any penny? Well, that's exactly I'm going to show you today's video. Amazing application that give you all of new TV shows, movies, and TV series without any kind of registration. So if you stick with me for just few minutes more, and I'm gonna show you how you can download this amazing application on your Amazon Fire TV device. Let's begin. So this application is officially available on Amazon Fire TV device. This time you don't need to turn on apps from unknown source or ADB dibbing. Simply hover to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here popcorn flicks. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on popcorn flicks. And here what you have to do, slide over to popcorn flicks icon and press remote select button. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire TV device. So just click on download button. And this app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So guys, as you can see, popcorn flicks has been installed. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hover to apps icon, press remote select button, and guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. So slide down and highlight popcorn flicks icon. Now press remote 3-line menu button, slide down and click on move to front. So as you can see, popcorn flicks is front of your all Amazon applications. So guys, you can use this method to download this app on your Amazon Fire TV device, and I hope this video is real for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.